living a dream of having that. Back it up now. We live for the hype. We live in a world where the money means more than life, more than the rent we spent on ice, losing it all with an oversight. It's time to stack them chips, invest that money and make it flip. We need to save for the future, man. Wisdom is shit turn to sense. Where the money go? Where the money flow? It go from the kids to a car to a house, but they count that money in slow-mo. In a minute to a month to a year, that fear might grow. Think about that when you're blowing that dough. Think about the ones who's losing you when you're robbing still when the bills are due. Whoa, stacks, you might call them racks. We just making money, put our problems to the back. Like whoa, stacks, you might call them racks. We just making money, put our problems to the back. Back it up now. I just work a 9 to 5.